Be careful of some visitors who visits in your house. Even friends and family members, they want to know what's going on in your house, especially couple. Maybe they know that last time you were fighting with your husband, so they want to know what's going on, because nowadays you are keeping quiet, you are not complaining about your marriage, especially family members, because sometimes maybe you are careful, you don't want to tell them about your marriage or about your relationship, so they will come into your house like they cares about you. They want to see you are okay or what. They want to know what's going on with your life. After, when they were in their homes, now they were at their homes, they start discussing about you, about your house, everything. So sometimes be careful about your visitors nowadays. Be careful about those people. They want to know how you are living, what's going on, especially when you are fighting or something. They are getting excited and start discussing about you, about your house. So sometimes, guys, be careful about those visitors, especially family members. Be careful about them, because some of them, especially, they want to know what's going on with your life. They want to know, guys, especially family members, because it's not all of them they cares about you, or they are calling you. They want to see you are fine. Sometimes they want to know what's going on with your life, and after that they start discussing about your life on your back. You don't know, they start discussing about your life. So sometimes maybe you have got some years they don't see you, or you have got some years or 2 months you don't call or something. It's not about when they will come into your house, they cares about you. They want to know what's going on, because it's long time they didn't even hear any drama in your house or what's going on in your family. Other family members, when they come in your home or you visit them, maybe after after they left your house, maybe you are okay with your partner, you are start fighting with your husband. Maybe there is something they put in your house. So sometimes be careful about those people sometimes, because after they left the house, you are start fighting with your partner. Anything, maybe you lose your job or something. It happens, because guys, don't trust the people sometimes, because you can leave you. That's why you saw most of the people, they want to keep their lives private nowadays, because they want privacy. They don't want people to know about their lives. People, they want to discuss, guys. They want to discuss about you a lot.